This makeover is going to be practical, affordable, and stylish. Clean this and stick it on the wall. Hey YouTube family, welcome to my channel Decorate with Manas. How are you? Now you must be thinking, why is Manas standing in the bathroom? कोई और जगह नहीं है वीडियो शूट करने के लिए? I am standing in my bathroom because this video is going to be my bathroom makeover.
क्या करना पड़ता है?
Right now it's a very basic bathroom and we are going to turn it into a very cozy, very beautiful, very functional bathroom. So I'm very excited. But before we start the makeover, let me walk you through my bathroom and also highlight some of the problem areas that I plan to fix during the makeover. Let's begin. This bathroom is attached to the master bedroom of my apartment, which is my favorite room. If you haven't already, you can see the detailed design of this room in my home tour video. On the left, there is a wash basin. Right now, I've kept all the daily essentials on the countertop itself. Now below the wash basin, I have this cabinet where I stored my cleaning supplies and things that I don't use on a regular basis. So it's pretty handy. And above the wash basin, I have placed this tea bulb. Okay, so the first step of the makeover is to find a really nice large mirror with integrated LED lighting, which acts as the focal point of the bathroom and illuminates our face from all the directions so that we look pretty. Now because the bulb is placed on the top, it creates very harsh shadows on the lower part of the jaw. So it's very inconvenient. It's very hard to see the areas to shave or trim properly. I have to really bend my face to see what's happening, and this is something I would like to tackle in the makeover. Next, we would need some organizers to kind of organize these things that are right now on the counter, and it's cumbersome. It's busy here and it's very difficult to clean. So I want some wall mounted organizers so that this is above the counter and it's easy to clean and looks also visually clean and nice. Next to the wash basin is my commode, and next to that is a shower area which has a shower, and below that I keep the bucket. Next to that there's a windowsill on which I currently keep all my daily use products, my shampoo, conditioner and shower gel. Similarly, I also want a wall organizer for these items because the windowsill is working fine, but then I don't know, it just doesn't look nice. With a wall organizer, I think it would look better because it will look like a collected, curated group of items and it will not look like they're randomly placed on the windowsill. So that's my thinking. And I also want a wall mount for my wiper because after wiping the floor, after taking the shower, I want it to be here on the wall so that it's above the floor. The floor remains clean and it dries well. The last thing to show here is this towel rack, which is wall mounted, and this is working fine. So I found a beautiful LED mirror online on Amazon and ordered it, and it just got delivered. Link will be in the description. Now to be honest, the packaging was a little extreme. Like it really took a lot of hard work to just open the packing and get to the mirror. But the good thing is that the mirror was completely safe inside it and there was no damage at all. So I guess it was a good thing. So the mirror is out now, and the great thing is that the mounting screws came along with the package, which is always a great thing. Now it's important that you place the mirror in such a way that your face lies in the center. So we marked the wall and got the mirror wall mounted accordingly, and it looks so pretty, so beautiful. Time to reveal the mirror. Wow, look at this. Look at this beautiful light coming from the mirror. And he was also impressed by this mirror. I mean, it looks absolutely stunning. I think getting ready in this mirror would be a pleasure. The mirror has 4 modes. This is the off mode, and then there's only front mode, then there's only backlit mode, and then there's a dual mode where both the LEDs kind of light up and creates a lot of illumination, which looks really nice. Yay! My bathroom looks so pretty in this light.
Yay!
I was loving the mirror so much that I kept staring at myself and didn't feel like going away. And I also did a little dance for myself in front of the mirror. It's totally worth, because the most important decor piece of your bathroom should be you. No, but seriously, vanity reasons apart, it's very practical also. Since the light hits our face evenly from all sides, it's very easy to see each and every corner of the face and do practical tasks which require more lighting, like shaving, trimming, or even makeup for that matter, very efficiently and very easily. So as a functional task light also, this kind of a lighting setup is extremely good. Like seriously, trimming in this light is such a breeze. There's like no struggle to see any part of the face at all. Highly recommended. So part 1 of our video is done. Our mirror is installed and it's already looking so pretty, so beautiful, and it has created this soft light throughout the bathroom, which is making it look very luxurious and cozy. So now let's move on to the next part, which is organization. And first thing that we'll tackle is these things that are there on the countertop, and we will be using these organizers from IKEA. This is their Obana's range, and it's a suction based range, so basically it can attach itself onto tiles using suction. There's no drilling required, very easy to install, and I had shared a detailed review of these in my previous video, my IKEA haul shopping video. So if you want to watch that, please watch that as well. So yeah, let's get to work and install these organizers and organize stuff into these. To install these organizers, first we have to wipe the tiles clean with a damp cloth and simply press these against the wall so that the air squeezes out and it creates suction. And then there's a screw that we can tighten to kind of fix it in place. It's literally that easy. And yeah, it's time to organize all my items, my toothbrushes in it. Looks so nice. Exact same method for this suction rack organizer as well, but it has 2 suction cups. On this goes my face wash and my mouthwash. So our wall holders are installed now, and I put them on the right side. So this is the toothbrush and toothpaste holder, and this is the rack where I've kept my moisturizer, face wash and mouthwash. And on the left I've kept my liquid hand wash. So the whole area looks very airy, very opened up. And it will be extremely easy to clean the countertop as well with just a damp cloth, because now there's nothing on the countertop. Looks pretty. In the same organizer, I organized my shampoo, conditioner and shower gel, and look how neat they look now. Now to put the wiper on the wall, I am using this wiper organizer from Amazon. I found it pretty handy because it's simple peel and stick. You just have to peel the sticker and stick on the wall. I will share the link of this product and all the other products that I've shown in the description, so don't worry. But for now, let's install this. Just like that, so easy. Moment of truth. So now we have a wall organizer for our wiper. Look how neat it looks, and it's so easy to operate. Like you can just quickly take it out, put it in. So super functional and super convenient. Another practical thing is to basically hang a hand towel next to the wash basin, and for that I'm using this suction hook from IKEA. This again I ordered from the same lot, and I think it looks really nice, and again it would be super easy to install also. So let me just put it up. I think it would be nice here in this area so that it doesn't interfere with this switchboard. Maybe here. So again, installation is super easy. You just press it. Easy. So now after washing my hands, I can quickly dry them using this hand towel. Convenient, isn't it? Time for some decor. No surprises, you're watching Decorate with Manas. So I'm taking this snake plant in this cute bucket-like container, and I'm going to hang it on the windowsill. And this window is ideal because it gets 1 to 2 hours of sunlight during the day, which is good enough for this plant. This plant requires very little care and very little water. So for the bathroom, it's perfect. And since it's hung, cleaning the bottom surface would also be super easy. Now time to put this bathroom mat, which I got from Amazon. Let me open it up. This is an anti-skid mat which is perfect for bathroom use. Anti-skid, high water absorbent, quick dry, machine washable. The print is so cute, the colors are so nice, and it feels really soft to the touch. And true to the promise, it was not skidding at all, which makes it super safe. Now, how can a makeover be ever complete without a DIY? So I'm making a DIY wall art which would be water resistant. I'm taking this embroidery hoop, and because it was looking a little pale, I'm staining it with a dark rich color. It's a rich walnut color. And then I'm coating it with varnish. This will protect it from water splashes. Now for the actual art, I'm taking a beeswax paper which is printed and framing it in this embroidery hoop. Beeswax paper is water resistant, so it's perfect for bathroom. Time to put it up and see how it looks. I mean, art in the bathroom is slightly controversial, but I like it. It's nice, right? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Now to make my bathroom smart, I'm also adding this motion sensor bulb. This is the sensor that the bulb has. So it only lights up when there's someone in the bathroom, and when people leave, it automatically switches off after 40 seconds. And I have a habit of forgetting to switch off the light, so this will save a lot of electricity. And it's nice, like automatically as soon as you enter the bathroom, it kind of lights up the bathroom. The good thing is that it also has a light sensor. So in the day, if your bathroom has a lot of natural light, it will not light up. Only when the light is below a certain level, only when it feels that it is darker, it lights up. So as you can see right now, the bathroom light is off. Now I'll enter the room and see if the bulb lights up. So here we go, and it lights up, and I haven't touched any buttons. Convenient. Another little thing, this bathroom cleaner isn't looking that great, so I'm hanging it on this self-adhesive hook in this side. This way it's kind of out of sight and has its own little place to hang and chill. So this was the video. Our bathroom is upgraded. It looks so cozy, so nice, and is super functional now. And apart from making it functional and practical, we have also given it few cute decor touches, which is, oftentimes neglected in a bathroom. But let's be real, bathroom is that part where you can spend quality alone time, which is very rare in this world, and it can become your little sanctuary. So I think a little bit of cozy decor touches and giving it the importance that it deserves is very, very important. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. If you are a home decor and DIY enthusiast like me, you will love my channel. I keep sharing videos, so if you subscribe, you will not miss any of my future videos. Also, please let me know in the comments which part of the bathroom makeover was your favorite. I love reading your comments and I reply to each and every one of you because I love you. I'm super tired, and so it's time for a nice warm shower in my newly upgraded bathroom. So I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.